Hello students, I am Aman Sharma. Today we are going to continue 21st A exercise. Now we are going to start 9th question. Area of a playground is 3650 meters square. Find the cost of covering it with gravel 1.2 centimeter deep. If the gravel cost 6.4 per cubic meter. Okay. एक प्लेग्राउंड है, उसका एरिया दिया हुआ है एंड हमें उससे कर्व करना है ग्रेवल्स के साथ. डीप दैट मीन्स हाइट कितनी होनी चाहिए ग्रेवल की 1.2 मीटर. इफ द ग्रेवल्स पर क्यूबिक मीटर की कॉस्ट दी हुई है, सो पहले हम वॉल्यूम निकालेंगे देन इससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. ओके, एरिया ऑफ प्लेग्राउंड कितना दिया हुआ है? मीटर स्क्वायर. सो एरिया मीन्स लेंथ इनटू ब्रेड्थ गिवन है हमें 3500 एंड व्हाट इज द डेप्थ ऑफ ग्रेवल्स 1.2 centimeter. So first of all we will change it into meters. 1.2 divided by 100 meter. So this is 12,000 meter. Area, length into breadth, depth. Now what is volume of the ground? Therefore volume is equal to length into breadth into height or depth. So depth को हम height ले लेते हैं. Length into breadth is given, just write directly 3650 into 12/1000. Now multiply 12 with this term and put decimal after two places. ये कितना गया 43.8 मीटर क्यूब. So this is the volume. Now cost, just multiply 43.8 into 6.4. You will get your answer. Rupees. So, area square plate of side X is 8 centimeter thick, 8 millimeter thick. Find, if the volume is this, find the value of X. So first of all, area of plate of side axis will be x square. So when we multiply it with thickness, it will become volume. X square into 8 mm, we will change it into centimeters, is equal to 2880. This is how you will do. Okay, 10th question, volume is given, thickness that is height is given. So it is in millimeter, we have changed into centimeter by dividing by 10. Now volume is this. What is the formula of volume? Length into breadth into height. So here length and breadth are same, that is x. Height is 8/10. From here just calculate the value of x. That will be your answer. Next question, the external dimension of a closed wooden box are 27, 19 and 11 centimeter. The thickness of it is 1.5 centimeter. Volume of wood. So there is one cuboid. So external dimensions are given. Internal dimensions we can find by subtracting 2 into thickness. Now they are asking for the volume of wood. So that is volume of material. We have already discussed in the previous video that volume of material is equal to external volume minus internal volume. Then cost of the box, if wood costs this much, So we have to find the cost according to cost of wood. So once we found the volume of wood, we will multiply it by 1.2. Number of 4 centimeter cubes could be placed in the box, that we will find by the dividing the volume, internal volume, by volume of this cube. Okay students, external length is given, external breadth is given, external height is given. Now for example, this is our required box. So I am considering only length. So if this is external length, this is the width length, so we will minus twice of this width. So that means in this case 27 minus twice of 1.5, that is 3. So that will be 24. Same 90 minus 3 is 16. 11 minus 3 is. So this is how we calculated external and internal dimensions. Now volume of wood, that is volume external minus volume internal. Just multiply the external volume, that is 27 multiplied by 19 multiplied by 11 minus internal volume 24 into 16 into 7. So this will be 5643 minus 3072, which is equal to 2571 centimeter cube. This is your first part. Now second part. Second part was the cost of box wood, if the wood cost is. So that cost is equal to this is your wood, 277571 multiplied by so you can multiply and to find the answer. That will be around 3085.20. You can also cross check by multiplying. Now third part, number of cubes. So that means we will divide internal volume internal by volume each cube. This is 3072 divided by 4 into 4 into 4. You will get around 48 cubes, so which is your answer. Just note it down. A tank 20 meter long, 12 meter wide and 8 meter deep, so is to be made of iron sheet. So this is the tank we required. So length, breadth and height are given, and we have to make this tank with the help of iron sheet. It is open at the top, so this tank is open at the top. Find the cost of iron sheet at the rate of 12.5 per meter if the sheet is 2.5 meter wide. It is also solved in the next page. Area of sheet is equal to area of the surface area of tank. Now this is very important. So the area of sheet from which we will make the tank, that area must be equal to the surface area of tank. Now if width is given, sheet's width is given, length we can find. So length of sheet multiplied by its width, so that is area of sheet. Now what is surface area of tank? That is area of 4 walls plus area of its base. So from here, length of sheet multiplied by 2.5 is equal to 4 walls length, that is 2, 20 plus 12 into 8. plus the base is length into breadth, that is 12 into 20. From here we can calculate the length of sheet, that is 300.8 meter. So now the cost, just multiply it by the rate, so that answer will be 3760. Okay, I will explain one more time in Hindi. एरिया ऑफ शीट क्या हुआ, शीट की हमें विड्थ दी हुई थी, अगर उसकी हमें लेंथ और विड्थ को मल्टीप्लाई कर दे, लेंथ एंड ब्रेड्थ को, देन वी विल गेट द एरिया. सो शीट का एरिया हमने कैसे निकाला, लेंथ एंड ब्रेड्थ को मल्टीप्लाई करके. विड्थ कितनी थी 2.5, लेंथ को अभी हमने क्या रखा, लेंथ ऑफ द शीट, लेंथ को हमने कुछ भी नहीं माना, उसकी वैल्यू हम फाइंड आउट करेंगे. इस शीट के एरिया से हमने क्या बनाया, टैंक. सो दोनों का एरिया इक्वल होना चाहिए. टैंक का एरिया क्या होगा, एरिया ऑफ 4 वॉल्स प्लस एरिया ऑफ इट्स बेस. तो उसका फॉर्मूला लगाया और वहाँ से हमारी लेंथ ऑफ शीट आ गई, तो मल्टीप्लाई बाय 12.5 टू गेट द टोटल कॉस्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 13. ए क्लोज्ड रेक्टेंगुलर बॉक्स इज मेड अप ऑफ वुड of 1.5 centimeter thick. So thickness is given. So rectangular box which is made up of wood, its thickness is given. Exterior length and breadth are also given, 78 and 19. So if exterior are given, so we can find interior by subtracting the twice of thickness. Capacity of box is 15 cubic decimeter. Find exterior height of the box. Okay students, in this question thickness is given, length external is given 78, breadth external is 19. Now if external is given, we can find internal length by subtracting the thickness twice of thickness, because both side we have to remove this thickness. So that means we will subtract 2 times 1.5, so twice, that is 3. 78 minus 3, 75. Similarly external breadth is given, internal will be subtracting 3. Now we are assuming internal height as x centimeter. Now internal volume is given 15 cubic decimeter. So internal volume, that means cubic decimeter, in 1 decimeter there are 10 centimeters, so we will change it into centimeters. So it is cubic, so we will multiply 10 3 times, so 15 into 10 into 10, so this will become 15,000 centimeter cube. So internal volume is equal to 15,000 centimeter cube. But also internal volume is internal length into breadth into internal height. So we will write this value from 75, 16 and x. From here just calculate the value of x, it will be 12.5. So this is your internal height. Now but in question they are asking about external height. External height will be internal height plus thickness, so twice of thickness. So this will be 12.5 plus 3, that is 15.5. This is your answer. The square on the diagonal of a cube has an area of 1875 square centimeter. Calculate the side of cube and total surface area of the cube. So square on the diagonal of cube, and they are asking about the cube. So we will take the cube's dimension as a. So what is the diagonal of cube? A under root 3. Now this is the side of a square whose area is 1875. So from here just calculate the value of a, that will be your first answer, and then just find 6a square, that will be your second answer. Okay, let's understand. This is a cube, this will be the diagonal. Now on this diagonal one square is formed, so this is the square formed on the diagonal. Now this area of square is given as 1875. So that means Now first of all, remember the formula of diagonal of cube. If this is cube of side A, so its diagonal will be A under root 3. So this is the formula. If the side of cube is A, diagonal will be this. Now this diagonal will become the side of this particular square. That means A under root 3 square is equal to 1875. From here we can calculate the value of A, which will be 25 centimeter. This is also solved in the hint. If the side of cube is A centimeter, the length of diagonal is this. Side हमने assume की A, and the length of diagonal will become A under root 3. Now area, that is side square, is equal to 1875. From here just calculate the value of A, which will be 25. The next part is total surface area of cube. You already know total surface area of cube, that is 6A square. So just multiply by 6 into 25 into 25. You will get your answer. This one's 15th question. A hollow squared shaped tube open at both ends, okay, like this, is made up of iron. The internal square of 5 centimeter side and the length of the tube is this. So now, this is uniformly thick, and internal square, so the square which is the internal, its side is 5, so that means its length and breadth both are 5. The length of tube, that, so we generally consider the height, so length is 8, so that means the height or depth of the length, that is 8 centimeter. So this is the iron used, 192 centimeter cube. From here you will find the clue, that it is cube, that means it is talking about material. So volume of iron. Now first of all we will assume thickness as x. So external will be twice of the thickness we will add to the internal. So internal side was 5, now external will be 5 plus 2x. External volume minus internal volume is volume of iron. So 5 plus 2x multiply by 5 plus 2x multiply by 8, that is length. Length, breadth, and here length is your height, minus internal volume 5 into 5 into 8, that is 92. Just solve this equation, find the value of x, that will be your answer. Now the last, 4 identical cubes are joined end to end to form a cuboid. If the total surface area of resulting cuboid is given, find the length of edge of each cube. Okay. Also find the ratio between total surface area and resulting cuboid and the surface area of cube. So okay, first just read this question from your book. Now I will solve this. Okay, 4 cubes, identical cubes are joined. Let side of cube x centimeters. Now this cuboid has length of 4x, therefore length cuboid 4x, breadth and height are x centimeter each, but breadth and height, these are this height and this width, they are same, x. Length, so now we know that this cuboid length is 4x, breadth is x and height is x. It is given total surface area of the resulting cuboid. Total surface area of cuboid is 648 centimeter square. You know the formula of total surface area, twice length into breadth, breadth into height, height into length. Just put the values. Length is 4x into x square, this is x square, this is again 4x square. So 9x square is equal to 324. X square is equal to 324 upon 9. This is square of 18. Okay, first of all we will cut on 3's table, and again okay, so x square is 36, so x is 6, ignoring negative sign because length can never be negative. So this is x. X was also side of cube, so this is your first answer, side of cube. Secondly, they were saying that also find the ratio between surface area of resulting cuboid and total surface area of the cube, and surface area of cube. So surface area of cuboid, surface area of cube. Cuboid is given in the question and cube is 6 side square. So here side is also 6. So the required ratio is 6 cube. 6 cube is 216. So on cutting we will get 3 and 1. So required ratio is 3:1, which is our answer. With this, your first exercise is completed. Hope you understood the concepts, and do like, share and comment this video. Thanks for watching.